Hello everyone, this is a tutorial for EasyROB. In this example, we are going to start the process from a CSV file. First of all, we can check the information that we have to introduce to the program in order to generate the machine learning model. First of all, we need a column with the smiles, the chemical structures, then the code name, and then the target value that we want to predict. In this case, is yield. We can start the process. First, select this CSV file that we talk about, the acid CSV file, and then we have to select the different parameters. First, the target column is yield, regression type is regression, and name column is codename. In this case, in this example, we are not ignoring columns. And then the important part is check the enable Acme workflow because we want to automatically generate aesthetic and electronic properties using Acme. So check it, and an Acme tab will be unlocked. We can check the information that we have here, and we can see the common substructure that the program detects in our molecules. If we read the warning, no atoms were selected, so atomic descriptors will not be generated. Acme automatically generate aesthetic and electronic properties of the molecule, but if we select atoms, we can also generate atomic descriptors. So we are gonna do in this example some descriptors in this oxygen, for example, and we are gonna run the process. First, we will generate these descriptors with Acme, and then we will start the Robert process. The first step is curate in order to clean our data, like removing duplicates, reducing noise, and etc. Next is generate, where the import optimization of the parameters for different models is happening, such as random forest, among others. We are trying to optimize the material model what we want to use. And then the predict module, we test our model with an external dataset in order to check the predictive power that we have in the model. And then the verify module, we apply various statistical tests to confirm that the pattern that we identify in the molecules is truly correct. Once the process is finished, we can check the results in the tab results, and here we have the PDF file that we generate in the Robert workflow with a summary of all the metrics that we have in the model. In this case, the model is pretty bad because in this example we prepare the data. And also, if we look up for the folder where we launch the process, we can see the report of Robert and then all the folders that we generate in the workflow. And then we have a CSV file with the descriptors that we generate with Acme. We have the descriptors of the atoms that we select, and also we have columns of descriptors of the whole molecule. So that's all for the moment. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.